Delicious.
I could have 10 of these. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do something super quick and super fun for the school holidays that involves Ella's favorite fruit.
Strawberries.
If you haven't already done so, please don't forget to
subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell
so that you can follow us on all our adventures and perhaps try some of the things we make too. Now this is going to be quick, so let's get started. So today we're going to dip these beautiful strawberries in some chocolate and we're going to decorate it with
sprinkles!
So they're like hundreds and thousands combined with fruits. So happy kids, happy mummies. So you will need, you can go fancy and have Lindt chocolate. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine to go to Coles, Safeway, or whatever your grocery store is and get some chocolate melts. These microwave really quickly and I'll show you how. And then you will need a cup, and my tip today is fill it up with dry rice so that you can put all your strawberry flowers in there, and they're great for parties too. All right, step number 1, melt these. Next tip, use a jug or a mug, something with a handle. Okay, pop it in, Ella.
Here I go.
Okay, we're gonna put this in the microwave for 40-second bursts. 40 and then 30. So this is the first 40-second burst. Mix it. I know it feels like it hasn't really done anything, but I can promise you that the jug is quite hot and you want to mix it to distribute the heat evenly so you don't burn the chocolate. So how many seconds the second time, Ella? 30, come on. So you can see it's melting a little bit more. This is hot, this is nice to hold. So this is perfect, look at that. Ooh. Right. There you go. So this is home cooking, so it's fine. Okay, scrape. Now give that a moment to cool off a bit and show you a neat trick. So with this one, so you aim for right in the middle and be careful it doesn't go bang through your finger. So hold it tight, give it a push. See, it's so easy. Ta-da! You want to do that one, Ella?
Yep.
Don't hold up. So imagine when we're done, this is going to be our pot of chocolate flowers. How cool will that look? Okay, see? So that's why you have rice. Happy birthday! So the idea is you take the strawberry, lean the chocolate so that you can press it and turn around, press it. So the chocolate covers a little bit of that stick and tap, just like you would when you make cake pops. Tap. Look how much chocolate's falling off. There'll be nice thin coating so you don't chocolate load your kids while they eat. I'm going to put love hearts on mine. I'm just going to do it over the baking paper. You can you can take that jug and give it a go. Ooh, it's so romantic. I feel like I'm so, oops. That was bound to happen. So pretty. And you can pop it in here if you want to dry. I'm going to do a starry one because I can. See? Oh, this one looks really nice. Look at that. This is really pretty. You're crazy with sprinkles. Pop this one in here too. Oh, taste testing time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat half to match my top. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, look at that. Can you see it? I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. I wish you could taste it. It's so good, so easy, and gets the kids in the kitchen, which I absolutely love. And it's great for parties because you can get the sprinkles to match the theme, and it looks really fancy. Put in a vase, you can put tissue papers, put it between flowers, you can give it to your Valentine's. It's so versatile, and you don't have to bake a cake to make cake pop, so it's quick. So if you want more cool ideas like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Until next time,
Goodbye!
see you later.